good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
Yes, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. Because today we are going to have our English class. Say yay, hooray! Okay. Before we start the class, please one of you lead us in a prayer.
Let us pray. Our Father in heaven, thank you for your blessing. Now we want to study English. Please bless us. Amen.
Before we start the class, please let us see who is present, who is not present by checking your attendance, okay? Let's make it quick. Who's not present today? All of you present? Yes, okay, thank you. To start the class, I want to show you something. Okay. Can you see the picture, everyone? Yeah, okay, so look at the picture. What is the picture about? It's a climate. Okay. What else? It's the rain. Okay, of course it's the rain, right? Can you please mention the question about the picture?
How does rain happen?
Okay, how does rain happen? Good question. Okay, anyone else? No. Okay, so that's a good question because they are going to see how does rain happens by see the following picture. Let us see. It calls water cycle. The first, we have the sun. The sun heats the water and then it do some evaporation. When the water evaporates, it becomes condensed, becomes a bunch of clouds. So when it's heavy enough, they are formed as a rain. That is how does rain happen. So my question to you, why do I'm asking you like this? Because we are going to learn about something, but what is it? Explanation? Text. Okay, that's right. We are going to learn about the explanation text. Let us see the aim and the benefit of our lesson today. First, we can explain how a phenomenon happens orally, and then we can write an explanation text about natural or social phenomena around us. We are going to see the learning objective. Students are able to identify the social function of written explanation text. The second, students are able to identify the structure of written explanation text. So far, do you have any question? If you have any question, then raise your hand. Yes? No question? Okay, so we are going to continue about it. Okay, so everyone, let us see about the first activity that we are going to do. Yeah, we are going to have some quiz. Okay, but before that, please pay attention on the text on the screen. There are several gaps that we have to complete. We have to fill in the gap or fill in the blank. So that we are going to use Canva to complete it. Okay, I'm going to play a video. We are going to listen to the video about the text, and after that, we are going to have the quiz. Do you have any questions before we start the quiz? Okay, it's clear, right?
Animals and people to survive. So now you know.
Okay, so this is the end of the different us. Yeah, okay. The third position. Wow. Ali. Coco. Who's Coco? Jojo. Okay. And the winner is speaker Give applause to them. There are several questions that I want to answer to you. Okay? Please pay attention. Have you ever known how does rain happen before? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. From what? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, geography is something. The second question. What will happen if there is no evaporation?
Not rain.
Yeah? No? There will be no rain, right? I have text 1 and text 2. Text 2. Okay. What we are going to do? Yeah? We are going to identify the social function and also the structure of those texts. One, please. Raise your hand. Okay, this is group 1. Okay, group 2, which one? Group 2, okay. Group 3. Okay, group 3 and group 4. Okay, the last is group 4. Nice. Okay, so everyone, please check the classroom, okay? I already divided you into 4 groups. We are going to collaborate and we are going to use Canva as we did in the previous meeting, okay? Do you have any question? No question? No question, everything is clear? Okay, so let's start the lesson then. I have a kind of observation assessment. Yeah, so in here I'm going to check your how you work together, how your responsibility, and how you active in your group. Number 1, please pay attention. From group 3, they are going to present the result of discussion.
Thanks for the time and opportunity that the friend gives to our group. We will answer that question.
Number 1, part of text. General statement. Question. Text 1. What does the text mostly tell us about? Earthquakes.
The result of group 3. They already gave you the result of the discussion. Before that, do you have any question? Group 1. Any question, any suggestion? No. Okay, group 2.
Not any question.
No question? Okay, so my question. Can you please mention briefly about the process of how earthquake starts?
Technical trigger a rapid release of energy that seismic waves that travel through the earth. Earthquakes are usually brief, but may refer over a long period of time.
Okay, thank you so much. So that's how earthquake begins. So in the movement below the surface. Yeah, like that. We can do like that. Okay. So please complete the other questions. Okay. I think you have done an excellent job. So please give an applause, please.
Thank you for the time given to us. Now we want to present about the explanation text.
Text 2, number 1. What does the text mostly tell us about? Answer. The text mostly tell us about hurricane or how does hurricane happen.
Yes.
Do you have any question? Yes, from group.
I want to ask why hurricanes occur.
Why does hurricane occur? Okay, what's your answer? Okay, another question, maybe?
They can form in hot seas. Hot water of course will quickly evaporate. The amount of water vapor.
So that's the answer from group 3 to group 2. Do you satisfied with the answer? Group 2 and 3? Yes. Okay. Let's see some explanations. What is explanation text? Explanation text is a kind of text that its purpose to explain how something happen. So here, explanation text is a non-fiction text which describes how and why things happen. It usually includes a sequence of events and provides reason for a process of phenomenon. Juga menyediakan alasan mengapa peristiwa itu terjadi. Jadi answernya itu how and why. How something happens, oh begini caranya. Why something happens, oh karena ini, like that. Do we have any question? Is it clear? Yeah. The next, we see the social function. The first describe how and why certain phenomenon happens. The social function can be an example to describe how does rain happen or how does earthquake happen. The purpose is to make the readers understand how and why certain phenomena happens. The text structure. There's a general statement. The first to introduce the phenomenon that is being discussed or to tell about the phenomenon in general. And sequence explanation. After the question of how and why the phenomenon occurs, it can be more than one paragraph. And then the last is closing. It can be a part of sequence explanation, or it can be used to give writers' opinion or suggestions to the readers. Any question, guys? No question? Okay, so let us continue. Please pay attention to this. Task 3. Actually, I want you to discuss it in this class by now, but the time is already almost finished, so I have to make it a homework for you. Let us recap the class.
The social function is to describe how always I calculate phenomena happens.
Okay, thank you so much, Olivia.
Explanation text is a non-fiction text which describes how and why things happen.
Okay, thank you. Guess it out first.
Text structure. Okay. One, general statement.
Okay.
Two, sequence explanation.
Okay.
Three, closing.
Okay, closely. Yes, that's the summary of today's class. Okay, so we are going to have the reflection if you don't have any questions. So please pay attention in here on the questions that I'm going to ask you. Okay? The first question, what are the difficulties you find in this lesson?
Satu presentasi.
Okay, satu presentasi juga kalau merasa kesulitan. So please tingkatkan lagi, itu berlatih bagaimana cara presentasi bahasa Indonesia baik dan benar ya. Okay. Which one is easy to understand? Activity 1. Okay. You find activity 1 is easy because you are using Canva, right? The last question. What can we do to be better next time? Kamu ada 50-50, 50-50. Supaya kamu paham. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Nanti kita akan coba ya. Okay. Pay attention to this. That next meeting we are going to learn about the language features of explanation text. Do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan?
No.
No question? Yeah. Okay. So please, before we leave, one of you lead us in a prayer. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'll see you on the next meeting. See you around, guys. Bye.